Hi students, let us see how to draw the diagram for pendulum. On the half page at the top, so at the center, draw near about 2 centimeter line. Make slight inclination arrows indicating support. Select one point at the center. This is a support O. Then on left side near about 30 centimeter inclination, take 6 centimeter dotted line. Then from this O only draw vertical line of 6 centimeter and that also be dotted. Then on right side near about 30-degree angle, draw one 9 centimeter line and mark at 6 centimeter as A and 3 centimeter as D. The 9 centimeter point will be P. So this is the position of the bob, final position. In the middle it will be the B, or other left hand it will be the C, positions of the bob. Now this angle through which is deflected is theta. Now this AP is parallel to the string of the bob. Now adjust here this line parallel to this and draw some dotted lines of 1 or 2 centimeter. Then put arrow here. Now take A as point and adjust this line to horizontal. From A up to this line, draw one vertical line. So where it intersect here, this will be the R point, and this represent weight of the bob. Now this angle is theta. Now measure PR, distance PR. So this PR is 1.3. Now same length here, perpendicular to this, 1.3, perpendicular to this. Draw that line. Put arrow here. That will be Q. Now join this by dotted line. This is complete parallelogram. So this mg resolved into two component along AP as mg cos theta, along AQ as mg sin theta. Now join these curves ABC, then draw bobs here, virtual bobs with dotted lines A, B, C as the enter, and this is final position of the bob. Now put arrow here, this acting as tension in the string, which is balances mg cos theta, and this mg sin theta is unbalanced, pulling the bob towards the center. As you have seen in the theory, this act as restoring force. Then by this we see that this simple pendulum acting as a oscillations here in simple harmonic motion. Label this length L, length of the string from this center to this here. So this is the diagram representing the oscillation of simple pendulum. Okay, understood here? Let us see for another diagram, and afterward we will see summary of this diagram.